Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, October 8th, and this is my PM recap for the Euro US dollar, and we're on the 1 hour time frame. So, like I said this morning, this is why I did not want to recommend longs, even though it looked like it was pushing up right there, because the higher time frames are definitely still very bearish. The higher time frames are definitely going to counteract anything you see on the shorter time frames, and my first target for a running ABC correction is right around here, right around the 1.145 area possibly. And if it's an expanding, I would expect it to go all the way down here around the 1.12 area. So higher time frames are definitely keeping me very, very bearish. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, if we do get a break of structure, which it definitely doesn't have to, it can make another lower high and keep on going down. But if it does break structure on the 1 hour, the first thing I would do is show my Fibonacci retracement from here to here, and I would look for three-way pullbacks. Because of the higher time frames, I am definitely going to continue to be very, very bearish unless we get a very significant break of structure on a higher time frame than this. So, like I said, keep an eye out for a lower high. It definitely could do so. If it breaks this high right here, then throw your Fibonacci retracement on there, look for three-way pullbacks, and look for more short entries. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website, linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.